Alright, so here we go. The Treehouse construction pretty much has concluded. You can see it's two-toned, so there definitely still quite a bit of staining work to do. But as far as the actual construction, I believe I can say that I'm done. Oh, one little gap right there. Forgot about that. But 99.9% of the construction has been completed. I think it came out great for my first project, but it is now complete, so I'm just taking you all the way around. Got a lot of brush I need to clean out now. So you can see all the way around. Just tracking through some brush. But the underside also needs to be stained. And I think I'm going to run some bridge boards across. I think that's probably appropriate. But for the most part, it is a done deal. It's been a massive undertaking, to say the least, but I am very proud of myself, and with the assistance of my friend, I don't think I'd be this far along, or maybe would have gotten it done at all. So big shout out to him, Mario. Thanks a lot.